Hey, what's up? It's BadMad and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you don't know who I am, my name is BadMad, aka Madeline. I am a photographer, videographer, makeup artist, actress, fitness fanatic, and certified permanent makeup artist. And here on YouTube, I am all about creating a positive network of baddies. If you're tuning into this video today, I want you a part of the baddie squad. Go ahead and hit subscribe and drop a comment below and introduce yourself. I have been so busy the past month with permanent makeup clients, with acting gigs, with shoots with my media company, Made You Look Media, and I have not been able to sit down and film for YouTube. So I'm so excited to be doing this collaboration today. Just know if you don't hear from me for a few weeks, it's because I am
booked and busy.
But today's video is a collaboration with a few other beauty creators. Bobbi Lace came up with this concept about a month ago, and anytime she includes me in a collab, I get super excited about it. She has the best ideas. But she wanted to create an Ice Queen look. Very bright, very holiday vibes, and obviously a sparkle lip. Had to do that. But also in this video, I go over how to achieve the perfect winged liner every time. I've had a lot of requests for this recently, and I felt like this was the perfect time to address that. So today we do a winged liquid liner with a glitter accent. I like to keep my tutorials wearable, if that makes sense, because I want you baddies to be able to recreate it and wear it to a photo shoot, to a date night, to, you know, a holiday party, to New Year's, whatever. If you'd like to see how I achieved this holiday Ice Queen look, continue watching. For today's video, I am using the Hit the Lights palette. This is inspired by my girl, Christy in Australia. She is my YouTube BFF, and she used this palette recently, so I decided to pull it back out. My shirt is the inspo for today's collab. To start off, we are going to use white as our base. I'm going to use my finger. We're going to apply this right on the lid. I'm going to take this nudie bronzy color and use this as my transition shade in my crease. We want a little bit of definition in that area. This we're going to windshield wiper in my crease and really buff it out. Windshield wipering this, and that's just to create a little drama and definition. Now is my trick. I know everybody has this at home. This is the key to the perfect wing liner, especially for beginners. Line this tape up with your bottom line. So I'm not going to put it up here. I'm going to line it with my bottom waterline. And push delicately in. I'm going to leave this loose because obviously I don't want it to take my face makeup. We're going to connect this bottom line with our wing. So you don't want to place it right on the corner, you want it a little bit lower than the corner of your eye. Pushing. I'm taking the Revlon Colorstay in Blackest Black. We're going to line our upper waterline. You can go ahead and do your bottom waterline as well. I am using Revlon Colorstay Blackest Black liquid liner. I love the way liquid liner looks on, so I always grab this liquid liner. I love it. Start in the middle of my eye. And this applicator allows you to just make little tiny strokes. So watch closely. And I just run that along the base of my, I'm just dabbing. You see that? You see where our color ends, about right there? That's where I'm going to make my wing go to. So I'm gonna start with the point of my wing. And see how I'm lifting my brow? That's going to elevate that area. And I'm going to drag that down to my lower lash line. You can get on the tape, you can do whatever you need to do. Now see how this is not even? we're going to just sweep our liner over to connect it. One of my favorite products, this is the Stila Glitter. This is in the shade Smoldering Satin. Strokes and concentration. The tight line with the glitter directly underneath. Let's take the tape off. You have a perfect wing. White there. We want that to really pop. Ardell Double Up Drugstore Lash. These look thick and beautiful and perfect for this look. So I will be right back. Really wanted this to be tight lined black so that it connected to my wing. But to open up this portion of my eye, I'm going to take NYX white crayon. I'm going to take it right along here, and you can see how much that opens up this eye versus this eye. I'm literally going to dab with my finger, melt that product over, and ombre it underneath that line. Makeup really is about playing with lighting, and so anytime you add a pop of white anywhere on your face, it's going to open up that area. I'm going to take the NYX Butter Gloss and apply this on my lips to get them nice and shiny. This glitter right here. And that is it for my Ice Queen Glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this collaboration, and don't forget to check out the other creators' looks. They're linked in the description box below. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you baddies next time.